Baby!
LA City 911 operator.
Baby, go get the security guard. Go to the apartment above us. Somebody's getting attacked.
Hello?
Hey, the apartment above mine, somebody's getting, like, beat the fuck up.
What's that?
I hear screaming. The address is 39. Get the security guard, go upstairs. Knock on the door above us. Somebody's getting attacked. There's a girl screaming. The address is 39 Wilshire Boulevard. We're in the apartments. I hear a woman screaming. I heard a shit ton of banging.
Ma'am, do you know what apartment she is?
I'm in 1, so she should be in 2. She's still screaming.
Okay. Let me go ahead
And there's something...
Don't hang up, ma'am. Let me go to the officers first, okay? Hold on.
Okay.
Olympic Unit, any Olympic Unit, a screaming woman, 39 Wilshire Boulevard, 3 Wilshire Boulevard, apartment 2. Stand by for their code 3 and 728 RD2 2022.
It's me, babe.
You got her?
Yeah.
She was screaming.
Who is she? To you? I don't know. She's just upstairs, either.
She's in here.
Yeah.
There's blood in the elevator and on the second floor.
Okay. What's going on?
Somebody with a crazy guy. I'm staying at my friend's house right now. And he has like a crazy guy on drugs there.
Okay.
And
20M36, clear August find my location for a female conscious and breathing, approximately 25 years of age, suffering from multiple lacerations due to assault.
Close the door. Close the door.
Hang on, just leave it open a little bit so our partners are coming. So where do you live?
I know it's the second floor, right?
Hang on, get the story. Yeah.
So what happened?
20M36, you guys are going to go get an RA location for a female conscious and breathing, approximately 25 to 30 years of age, suffering from multiple lacerations due to assault. And we're going to be at a follow-up appointment. That's all the supervisor went out?
Hey, she has a stab wound on her neck.
360 advise you're coming in broken. Repeat gender if they're conscious and breathing.
20M36, how do you read me?
What happened?
Oh yeah, it's code 417 on that. 2036 is with the third rubber. You're still coming in broken.
20M36, can I get an RA to my location for a female conscious and breathing, approximately 30 years of age, suffering a puncture wound to her throat? Can also get additional units and supervisor.
2036, alright, 39 Wilshire Boulevard, apartment 2.
20M36, be advised the victim is going to be in apartment 1.
2036, roger, correction, apartment 1.
Approximately 25 years of age, suffering from...
Babe, can you get her some water? Close the door. Close the door.
No, just leave it open a little bit so our partners are coming. So where do you live?
I know it's the second floor, right?
live down the street.
Hang on, get the story.
Yeah. So what happened?
I feel like I'm fading out.
Alright, what happened, ma'am?
Thank you.
Somebody stabbed her.
Someone stabbed you?
Yes.
Where?
The guy, he's in 2. Right
He's
now.
in 2. Who is he?
I don't know. He's my friend's friend.
He's your friend?
I don't know him.
Why did he stab you?
He just stabbed me. He's on
Where?
drugs. He's crazy.
Hey, she has a stab wound on her neck.
How many times did he stab you?
I don't know.
Does he still have a knife?
Yes.
Yeah? What kind of knife is it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
He's gonna kill himself. I fought for my life.
He's 2. How tall is he?
I don't know. He's white.
He's white? Do you know how tall the... So what?
Like 6'3", 6'4". I don't know. I'm fading out.
Okay. You just keep talking. Yeah, just keep talking to me, okay?
I'm gonna die.
Yeah. No. Just keep talking to me. So wait, were you guys arguing and he just stabbed you, or?
I was in the shower. And he barricaded me in there. I started saying he was gonna kill me from outside the shower.
Okay.
All I heard was him moving like tables against the front door.
Okay.
Yeah, he just beat the whole door in.
Okay.
Hold it up to your
He
wound.
started killing.
Do you want to lay down? Let's lay down.
Who else is up there?
Just him.
Do you know his name?
It's like Daniel or something.
Daniel or something? He said he was gonna kill himself?
We're gonna move up. This is gonna be the second door, okay? So we're gonna bypass the first door. Keep going. Hold here. You're gonna scoot to the switch to the right, and I'm going to do another notice, okay? So just watch your muzzle. No. This is Los Angeles Police Department. Mike, in 2, come out with your hands up. Do you hear anything?
He said something. I couldn't hear.
Hey, Mike! Hey, Mike, we need you to come out.
Something saying no. Yeah.
Hey, Mike! What happened? Okay, we need to make sure you're okay. He's saying go away. Hey, Mike, we just got to make sure you're okay. Can you open the door for us? What is he saying? He's saying no. Okay. Mike, is there anybody else inside? Hey, Mike. I'm not getting an answer. Let's back up. Hold on. Stand by. Okay.
Otherwise, not coming up.
Hey, Mike, I didn't hear it. I looked at my radio, so.
Break squelch a little bit. I don't use it sometimes. Yeah.
That's the drill, 18 minutes in Olympic. So radio issue is going to be you probably need to go to Simplex. You got a camera on, so it won't matter. Go to Simplex if you need to broadcast. CNT's done 2 calls in. There's been no answer, and we're going to attempt to bullhorn with the LRAD and go from there.
I tried calling your phone from that 213 number. I called you twice. It went all the way to voicemail. I need you to let me know that you got those phone calls or that you can hear me talking. I need you to pick up your phone and call me back or yell, bang on the door, do something so I can know that you can hear me.
Any pull up here?
Nice. Okay. 2 more buttons, or do you want more?
I think 2 will be plenty. We got 3 down there, 2 outside in the event. We got
2 more here.
Yeah.
Daniel, this is Admiral Police Department. We're not going away. I called you on your phone. I need you to pick it up and answer or yell out, bang on the door, bang on the wall. Let me know if you can hear me.
Both? So 2 recons, or you want the high court?
Alright, so Tim, DCO. Darko, Leslie. You can put that down.
Yeah, I'm just watching the over.
Yeah, or, let's try to go there without even making a sound. Push that. And sweat it. Get it open. Okay, you need to create that. Want to get with that? Get with that. This is your all-TT meetings here in Wilshire Olympic. We've got a plan in place. We're going to move up and master key, unlock that door and get the I-core to the inside. Stay with it. What's that? I'll stay with it. Okay. Everybody good with the plan? We're going to have to get small, obviously. You're pushing the door right now. Yeah. All right, everybody hold the air. It's going to move in. It's barricaded. Yeah, he's gonna stop behind it. It's on the other side of the bag. Lock the door, but it's not open. The deputy's not inside.
Daniel, put both hands up for me. Daniel, we're not leaving. We get you medical treatment, but you need to listen to me. Stick both hands up so we can see you have nothing in them. Daniel, take that helmet off and put both hands in the air. No, thank you.
He's on his left side. Hey, he rolled off the bed. Was there anything in his hand?
No.
Hands are empty.
Bed is empty, the floor was empty.
Try to get him to put his hands in the air.
Daniel, put both hands in the air, and we'll come give you help. Just stick both hands up so we can see them. Put both hands in the air and just leave them there. Daniel, you're doing good. Just stick both hands up in the air. Daniel, you need to put both hands out. I need to be able to see your hands.
Mike. Yeah, so we step in. Keep eyes on it. Two guys going through the front door. Yeah. I got some food on my back. We have a pinning call here. We can hand it to you. I don't have to
Yes.
I want you to hand me that Mark 46.
Okay. Daniel, put both hands up for me.
You want rope over?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, we have cigarettes outside. We'll give you cigarettes outside.
Keep both hands out, just like that, so I can see them. You're doing good. Just sit just like that.
Let me get you some cigarettes. Let me get you some cigarettes.
What's going on? Just put it around for me. Put it around.
I think we could grab one right here. Get left, I get right. Daniel, come on. Hang on, stop.
My cigarette.
Let him sit there. Daniel, put your hands behind your back.
Behind my back. I ain't fighting nobody.
Okay, code 4, we have the suspect in custody. We're going to need the Thames in here. We can try to walk him out.
My cigarette.